$99 on the cord. That's what it's doing. Like it won't stop, but it's not starting. Then when I put my foot on the gas, these are all the lights that's on there. No check engine light. Don't know what's wrong with it. If anybody please help me, can.